In this video, I'm going to show how you can set the activity completion for forms in your Moodle course and how to grade by rating. Let's go to my course in Moodle. Here I've added a form. Just you need to click on add an activity or resource and find from. So I've added this from to my course and now I want to edit it. I have two options. I can edit the from through these three dots, and then I can click on edit setting, or I can go to the from, and here I have from and then setting. I'm going to click on settings. Here I can update information in the from. Here we have rating, roles with permission to rate, manager, teacher, non-editing teacher, average, count, maximum, minimum, sum of ratings, maximum, point, 100, restricted ratings to items with dates in the range, no, grade to pass, 100. And then scroll down, activity completion. Students can manually mark the activity. Then show activity as complete when conditions are met. Student must view. Okay. Grade not required. Rating whole form. We need to select rating. Students must receive passing grades. Student must post discussion, must create discussion, must post replies. Just this one and this one. And then we can save and display.